Hello everyone, welcome here at TechAid TV. In for today's video is we have this HP SmartTank 750 printer having a no power issue. A no power problem is usually caused by a defective power supply, main logic board or power cord of your printer. So now we are going to unplug and replug the printer's power cord before we are going to disassemble and remove the power supply to verify that the issue is coming from the main power supply of the unit. So now we are trying to turn on the printer by pressing and hold the power button, but unfortunately it won't turn it on. So we have to proceed on the next step. Now we're going to replace new power supply. On how to do it, just follow me in this few steps. So the next step is we need to unplug the printer's power cord before disassembling the unit. Then lift the scanner lid and start disassembling the unit. The first part that we need to remove is the printer's front panel. Then next to remove is the side cover. After removing the side cover, carefully detach the panel and scanner flex cables. And detach all flex cables that connected on the logic board in order to remove the main logic board on your printer and access the power supply. Then remove the two screws that holds the printer's logic board. And detach the power supply connector and CR motor connector. Then, we can now remove the printer's power supply. Then we may now install the new power supply. Just insert it to attach. Then just reverse the procedure to assemble your printer. Then we may now plug in the power cord to test the printer. As we can see here, the power button automatically lit and also the printer is automatically turning on. Then we may now test the printer by just printing the printer status report page. Just press and hold the I button until all panel indicators will lit and press resume button to print the printer status report page. And that's how simple it is to resolve and replace the power supply for this HP SmartTank 750 printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.